Good morning, students. In last class, we will learn our first chapter, that is the nutrition in animals. Now move to its last topic, that is the digestion in grass eating animals. Grass eating animals कौन से होते हैं? Herbivorous. Grass eating animals, grass is rich in a specific carbohydrate, that is a cellulose. Cellulose, human and other animals cannot digest cellulose, but that grass eating animals have a unique method to digesting the cellulose. What are the grass eating animals? Like cow, buffalo, deer, sheep are the grass eating animals. What is the procedure for its digestion? कैसे वो digest करते हैं? First they swallow the grass and then store its part in their 4-chambered stomach, that is called rumen, and then partial digestion of food occur, that the product is called cud. When the animal is in resting stage, the cud, this is cud, not a curd, ना curd नहीं है, cud is brought back into its mouth and then small quantity and then animal chew it further. क्या करा उस एनिमल ने कि फर्स्ट जो है उसने ग्रास को क्या कर लिया, स्वेल कर लिया, घोट लिया, देन उसने कहाँ स्टोर किया, अपने स्टमक में, जिसको कि कहते हैं रूमेन. देन उसमें से कुछ पार्ट उसने फूड का उसका प्रोडक्ट जो निकला उसको क्या बोला, कर्ड. और फिर क्या, जब एनिमल रेस्ट करता है तो जो वो कर्ड होता है वो वापस कहाँ आ जाता है, उसके माउथ में आ जाता है स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में. फिर एनिमल उसको धीरे 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 च्यू करता है. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ च्यूइंग द कर्ड, जिसको कि हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जुगाली. नाउ we have completed this chapter. Now move to its exercise part. What you have to do, you have to do this multiple choice question. First, the organism depend for their food on other maybe क्या होते हैं, that are all herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. The pointed teeth in your mouth are, pointed teeth कौन सा है हमारे माउथ में, that are the canine teeth. Dog is an example of omnivorous. What carries digested food all the part of the body, that is a blood. Now breathing, breaking down of food into a simple soluble compound is called digestion. The front 4 teeth in the jaw, it's called incisor teeth. True and false? Frog use their tongue to catch the prey. True. In an adult, the total number of incisors are 8. That is true. The tongue helps in mixing the food with saliva. True. The ruminant brings back swelled grass into the mouth and then chew it for sometimes. False. Absorption of digested food takes place in a large intestine. False. Fill in the blanks. Continuous supply of energy is obtained from oxygen. Heterotropic nutrition is found in animals. Animals can eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Dash use its tentacles to take the food, that is hydra. The act of taking and eating the food collectively called ingestion. Dash nutrition stored the feces temporarily. Now move to very short answer type. Define herbivorous. What are herbivorous? Herbivorous are the animals that only feed on the plant, that are the plant eater animals. Next, what is cilia? Cilia are hair like projection on the body of Paramecia. Third one, define ingestion. What is ingestion? The act of getting and eating food collectively called ingestion. Next, what do you mean by the food vacuoles? Food vacuoles क्या होते हैं? जो यूनिसेलुलर एमीबा होता है वो क्या करता है, वो एनगल्फ कर लेता है टाइनी पार्टिकल्स ऑफ फूड को, और जो उसके फॉल्स फीट होते हैं जिसको कि हम स्यूडोपोडिया बोलते हैं, उस स्यूडोपोडिया से वो जॉइंट होकर के एक स्मॉल कैविटी फॉर्म करता है, डैट इज़ अ food vacuole, which these answers are obtained from page number 6. Now short answer type, what do we mean by the term life process? Life process का क्या मतलब होता है? Life process are those processes that the organism complete it alive, मतलब जितनी दिन वो जिंदा रहते हैं ऑर्गेनिज्म और अपनी उनकी बॉडी प्रॉपर फंक्शन करती है, that is its life process. What is nutrition? We have already learned. What is absorption? We have already learned. Define ejection. We have already learned. These answers are obtained from page number 6. Define carnivorous. Carnivorous क्या होते हैं? Carnivorous are those animals. Carnivorous कौन से animals होते हैं? Carnivorous are those animals that feed on the animals. Other animals means they are flesh eater animals. Now move to long answer type. All the long answer type we have already learned different types of teeth and their functions. This answer is given on the page number 7. Now what is esophagus? Explain with the help of diagram. This answer is obtained on the page number 9. What is the role of stomach in the digestive process? Stomach का क्या रोल होता है? जो मस्कुलर वॉल होती है स्टमक की वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती है, देन वो फूड को मिक्स करती है और डाइजेस्टिव जूस प्रोड्यूस करती है. देन जो ये डाइजेस्टिव जूस जो होता है वो एंजाइम एक कंटेन करता है, दैट एंजाइम इज़ पेप्सिन एंजाइम, और फिर वो हेल्प करता है ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ प्रोटीन इनटू अमीनो एसिड्स में, उसका ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है फूड का. नेक्स्ट मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ डज डाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन रूमिनेंट्स? रूमिनेंट्स में अभी हमने रीड किया था डाइजेशन कैसे होता है. नाउ मूव टू लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज़ हाउ डज एमीबा गेट इट्स न्यूट्रिशन? एमीबा न्यूट्रिशन कैसे लेता है? वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. दिस आंसर इज ऑब्टेन ऑन द पेज नंबर 6. नाउ स्टूडेंट, you have to do this exercise in your copy and write the question answers of the lesson 1 in your homework copy. Very short and long question answers all of done in your homework copies, and exercise A, B and C in your classwork copy. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, thank you.